Welcome to our FSx for ONTAP Workloads Inside and Out video series. If you're looking to deploy, optimize, and operate your critical workloads on AWS, you've come to the right place. In this series, we're creating a video for each of your top-of-mind cloud workload topics that clearly and concisely drills down the topic from top to bottom. We start out with the business challenge you face in that space and the value FSx for ONTAP can offer. Move on to a customer case with the relevant architectures, and explain how the technology works to provide the solution, and then show a live demo of how it's done with FSx for ONTAP and BlueXP Workload Factory, our new workload optimization and automation service. Database workloads, VMware, GenAI, general storage, and more. They're all in this series that can be found on our FSx for ONTAP Inside and Out playlist on the BlueXP YouTube channel. We invite you to check it out. See you there.